उन्हें देखकर विवेकानंद घबरा गए। My dear sisters and brothers, Vivekananda was born to an Orthodox Hindu family in Calcutta in 1863.
Swami Vivekananda was a renowned writer.
My dear sisters and brothers of my school, I am Swami Vivekananda. Today is my birthday. Jai Hind.
Principal, teachers and all the students. My name is Ashia Rahman Gulzar. I read in class 4. I am here to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a renowned writer, scholar, thinker, saint and philosopher of contemporary India. He was born on January 12, 1863 in Calcutta. His original name was Narendranath Datta. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. He was a successful lawyer in the Supreme Court of Calcutta. His mother was a pious lady who influenced him from his childhood. Vivekananda graduated from an English college in Calcutta. He was an excellent singer. Narendranath established the Ramakrishna Mission on 1st May 1897. Vivekananda's teachings left a great impact on Indian socio-cultural tradition. The divine soul of Vivekananda left this world on 4th July 1902. He was a role model for all. We shall make efforts to inculcate his qualities and become a better person. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, Secretary, respected Secretary and all our teachers. My name is Afroza Firdaus. आज है 12 जनवरी यानी स्वामी विवेकानंद का जन्मदिन और इसलिए आज मैं आप सबको उनके बारे में एक घटना बोलना चाहूँगी। उनका जन्म हुआ था 12 जनवरी 1863 में और उनका मृत्यु हुआ था 4 जुलाई 1902 में। और उन्होंने एक बात बोली थी जो पूरा वर्ल्ड में फेमस है, Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached। एक बार स्वामी विवेकानंद कुछ सोचते हुए नदी के किनारे चल रहे थे। तभी सामने से बंदरों का एक झुंड उनके तरफ बढ़ा। जब बंदरों का झुंड उनके पास आ गया तभी अचानक उनका ध्यान उस तरफ गया। उन्हें देखकर विवेकानंद घबरा गए और पीछे पलटकर भागने लगे। तभी एक अनुभवी बुजुर्ग सन्यासी ने जोर से चिल्लाकर कहा, वहीं रुक जाओ, भागो मत, बंदरों के सामने सीधे खड़े हो जाओ, डरो मत। विवेकानंद वहीं रुक गए और पीछे पलटकर बंदरों के सामने खड़े हो गए। उसके बाद उन्हें यह देखकर हैरानी हुई, सारे बंदर वहीं रुक गए। विवेकानंद को निडर खड़ा देखकर वे सब पीछे हट गए। उसी दिन उन्होंने अपने भाषण में इस घटना का उल्लेख कर कहा, उन विकराल बंदर से डरकर भागता रहता था तो मैं बचता नहीं, बंदर मुझे मार डालते। जब मैं उनके सामने खड़े हो गया था तो सब भाग गए। इस तरह हमें मुसीबतों तथा संकटों से दूर भागने से वे दूर नहीं होते। उनके साहस और धैर्य से हमें सामना करें तो सारे मुश्किलें दूर हो जाती हैं। तो इस घटना से हमें ये सीख मिलती है कि हमें मुश्किलों से डटकर सामना करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am standing here to deliver a short speech on the great leader Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda born on 12 January 1863 and died on 4 July 1902. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. These words of Vivekananda inspire and motivate the young even today. Vivekananda was born to an Orthodox Hindu family in Calcutta in 1863 and was named Narendranath Datta. As a child, he was an all-rounder. He was outstanding in studies, games and other extracurricular activities. He also showed the qualities of a natural leader. Even as a child, he was very kind and would distribute things to the needy. One day, his mother locked him in an upstairs to prevent him from doing so. Later, it was found that he had thrown out all the clothes of the trunks and suitcase to the poor from the window. At the age of 18, he met Ramakrishna Paramahansa, a renowned spiritual personality. Paramahansa instantly recognized his spiritual potential and believed that Vivekananda would change the world. Vivekananda represented Hinduism at the World Parliament of Religion at Chicago, USA in 1893. He passed away in July 1902 at the young age 39. Thank you, Jai Hind.